In this video, I'll show you how to add another account on your Facebook account. To get started, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your device. So as you can see in here, I'm currently signed in into my account. Tap on the menu button represented by the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Now once you're redirected into the menu section, go ahead and click on that log out button to be able to log out into your current account. After that, you'll get redirected into this section where you can actually use another profile or create a new account. So if you want to use another profile, simply click on that button, and in here you can go ahead and sign in into your account using your email and password. You can also create a new account. So you need to simply go through the steps of creating an account but using your mobile phone instead. So after you have provided all of the information required and you have created an account, you can simply sign in into that new account using your email and password. So that's basically how you can go ahead and add another account on your Facebook app. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.